Ollie, have you done your usual disappearing act with the remote? Because we can't find it anywhere.
That's an old bag. But take me for a blood test if you don't believe me.
This is exactly why we wanted you to go to rehab. And how do you expect us to believe that you want to get better, but you won't even take the first steps?
I don't need to sit in a room talking about why I take ketamine. I just need to give it up.
You're never going to beat your addiction if you're not honest about it.
Oh, right, because you were always honest every time you reached for the vodka. I thought I could get better with a bit of support from my dad. But forget it.
Ollie! Ollie!
I just went for some air. Don't worry, I didn't score any cat.
Sit down, Ollie. Please.
Why? I'm getting clean. There's nothing else to fight about.
We're done with fighting. We just want to help you beat this, so sit down, please.
You know, when I first got help for my drinking, the counsellor said every addict is trying to fill a gap. Something that's missing. You filled that gap for me. You gave me the strength to get through every day. I want to do the same for you.
We both do.
How can you get me through this when you're gonna die? I wanna know what gap I'm filling. It's you. Now get off my face. To try and forget that someday soon my dad isn't going to be around anymore. It doesn't work.
Your dad is going to be around for a very long time. Isn't that right, Luke?
Yeah, that's right. Look, Ollie, from now on, I'll be honest with you about my dementia, all right? You've got to be honest with me, okay? Then we won't have to fill any gaps. Because we'll have each other. Deal?
Deal.